The Great Indian Railways. It's always a motley bunch of people in a train compartment. It's always a writer's delight. I recall the childhood memories of winter holidays in trains with my ma. It was a government job LTA that she used every year. She had a huge leather suitcase with huge locks in it. And in her petticoat was a zip, always white petticoat, where she hid her extra money. Those were the days when there was less theft and less fear. Ma was always tastefully dressed in a sari. It was always an Indian textile, light-colored and very stylish. I remember circling my little fingers in hers. She crossed the bridges to go to the other platforms. She commanded the coolie. And as savage as that, she hailed the taxi or the auto to get to the destination, post the journey. My body used to be swinging for a day till I rested. I remember the upper bunk, the train ticket collector, the winter morning of Barauni Junction in Bihar. Yes, it was called Barauni. It had tea sellers, oily puri with potatoes, which I was rarely allowed to eat. I used to rest my cheek against the train window and soak in the sights in my curious baby mind. I had no clue. Ma was crossing bridges, making decisions, and being the slay queen that she truly is. And of course, I take after her.